Hey folks, welcome back to Blackbeard's Detailing YouTube channel. I'm Ross, over there is Josh, and on this episode we have this McLaren 570s in. So it's previously been PPF'd and it's had an absolutely horrific job done of it. No idea who's done it, the customer didn't know. It was on the car when he got it, and it's horrible, disgusting. There's lots of bits that are basically just starting to lift off, collecting the dirt underneath, and it's a white car that's really noticeable. So we are going to give it a right good decon. We're going to get it inside. There's a couple of bits of PPF needing replaced on the front wings, so Chris of Universal Graphics is going to come along, sort that out for us, and then wheels all coming off, and then afterwards we're going to put a layer of G-Technic Halo on the car just to protect it and make it much easier to clean for the customer. So we're going to get cracked on. Well, the sun is out. That stranger up there, somewhere hidden behind those clouds. The weather's been horrific recently, so yeah, get cracked on and we'll see you inside shortly. So that's the McLaren all in, dried and ready for us to do our work on it. There's lots of wee bits of dirt under the PPF. Like these sections here, they're quite difficult to pick up on the camera, but they just look really grimy. Chris has just gone by and done a wee inspection. It's been, again, trying to get the camera in underneath there. It's all starting to lift up for this bottom edge. It's been lipped round, and just through time it's just starting to lift up. So Chris has got a fun job of going through all this and trimming it all back and replace PPF in the two front wings. There's no PPF on them, and Josh and I are going to go round with microfibres and just go round all these and lift up all the wee bits of dirt that are all in it and just freshen it up. So a lot of kind of footery work involved. Take a wee bit of time, but it's just how it needs to be to get the car looking how the customer wants it. So we're going to crack on with that. So it's the end of day number 1, sorry, it just feels like 2 days, and the large majority of the prep work is all done on the McLaren. So all the grooves, the wee lines and the PPF have all been cleaned away. Used the isopropanol just to get in to clean it all. I gave this a wee polish up. It was covered in water spots, so got this polished, and once the car's dropped down the ground after Chris has finished doing what he's doing, I'll need to give the back window a wee polish as well. That is caked with water spots too. So the front wing PPF is all on, and Chris is just putting the remnants of that wing in the bin. So yeah, good progress being made. Wheels all off, deep cleaned, ceramic coated as of the calipers, and yeah, tomorrow when I come in, just panel wipe the full car, obviously after I've sorted that back window, panel wipe the full car and then get it ceramic coated. We'll get the window sealant on as well. So yeah, it's been good progress made so far on it, and aye, we are pretty much just on the wind down now. It's just after 4 o'clock, so a wee tidy up of the unit, bin's emptied, and then we'll get finished for the day.